What's up, guys? This is Mike from Hager TV, and today I'm going to be unboxing the 40th anniversary director-approved 4K restoration in 7.1 audio version of my favorite horror movie of all time, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Okay, as you can see, the box is shaped like the Black Maria, which is the, and honestly I never knew that the truck had a name really, but the truck at the end of the film, I believe this came out, I don't know, maybe 4 years ago. Obviously not the movie, but this version of it. I didn't notice it back then, but saw it online about a week ago and is reasonably priced, and I bought it because this is my favorite horror movie of all time. All right, let's open it up. Oh, I didn't even notice on the bottom. There's a lot of information about it. There's 4 feature commentaries, which I've watched a few commentaries in movies over the years. I normally don't do it. I will probably do it with this one. And yeah, basically it comes with all kinds of cool stuff. So let's open this up and, oh look, it's got a little handle there so you can, let's get rid of that, slide it open like this. All right, so as you can see, the back part slides out of the front, and inside we've got the movie. I do own the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I don't think I have it on Blu-ray, and I definitely don't have it with like all this stuff, like all these extras. And I certainly don't have, and I'm a big sucker for all kinds of, like, I don't know, extras, like little extra junk or whatever, such as a blood-splattered apron. I have another blood-splattered apron that's from the metal band Mortician. So I'm going to add this to that collection. Okay, I know it comes with some other junk, which I believe is probably in the case, because this does feel heavier than it otherwise would be if it was only the movie. So so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total discs. No wonder it's heavy. And here's the other extra, which is so yeah, it also came with a reproduction of the, I believe it's supposed to be the original poster for the film. Yeah, the opening, I believe, it's been a while since I've seen it. I think the opening shot is of this dead armadillo, and probably the reason I think this is my favorite horror movie is that it is just so creepy and eerie. In one particular part, for example, when they kick the weird hitchhiker out of the van after he's cut his hand, he rubs his hand on the van as they drive away, and he wipes his blood on it. It's just nasty. So yeah, well, there you have it, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Might go ahead and frame frame that movie poster. I'll probably be wearing this when I cook Thanksgiving dinner this year. And maybe this weekend I will rewatch this movie. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you either in front or behind the camera next time. And thanks to Jackson for being the behind the scenes guy today. Bye.